Winter storm warnings take effect statewide starting this afternoon as the precipitation lifts in from southwest to northeast, all of it in the form of snow for central and northern areas. Some mixing going on initially in southern areas of the state during this afternoon before eventually going over to all snow later on tonight. That snow could be heavy at times later tonight. It is going to be a very wet snow with temperatures in the 30s as it falls. That is going to weigh on some trees and power lines across the area and could mean some outages possible. The wind picking up this afternoon. We'll have some gusts over 35 to 40 miles an hour closer to the coastline and in some interior sections of the state through western and northwestern areas. Travel impacts will be greatest starting later this evening. Temperatures will likely be above 32 this afternoon, limiting issues. But for tomorrow, that is a heavy wet snow that'll be falling across most of the area and will really compromise and slow travel. That is part of the batch of the area that you see there moving towards us. The upper level system will be around Friday and into Saturday with some lingering lighter showers with minimal additional accumulation by the time we get there. The switch over to all snow during the overnight hours tonight. There is a look at what we're expecting tomorrow morning. The darker shades you're seeing there indicating the potential of over 1 inch per hour. That potential continues through the afternoon before lightening considerably as we go later into Thursday night and into Friday. Upper level system clearly nearby, and that will mean we'll kick off a couple of rain or snow showers Friday or Saturday. Brighter skies Sunday, setting up sunshine for the eclipse on Monday. Winds picking up through the afternoon, and there will be some gusts later today and into this evening, over 35 to 40 miles an hour. Those winds could still be going through the morning hours tomorrow, turning lighter as the low starts to move away tomorrow night and into Friday. And again, still breezy heading into the weekend. Also, the high tide just before 8 o'clock tomorrow morning could have some minor to moderate flooding as well. So that is something we'll be eyeing as we get a bit closer. Here's a look at the possible accumulation. We've been kind of tweaking this map a little bit here and there in certain regions of the state as the more fine-tuned maps continue to come in as we get closer. You can see the potential is there for a widespread foot plus, and just due to the heavy wet nature of the snow, that could by itself could cause outages. There's your 7-day forecast, which has a warming trend as we get the sunshine back early next week.